Alright guys, here we will adjust the time and the digital of the G-Shock 1 JA1000. So here the JA1000, it's all the same with the units with JA1000. Okay, so how to adjust? This is the adjust here, and here is the mode, and here is the light, and here is the search. Okay. When you adjust the analog and the digit together with the digital, so this will become back and this is the forward. Okay, so right now we have the time, local time 11:39 in the digital time, but in the analog it's the 3 minutes before 11. Okay, so what shall we do now? What will we do now is we have to push this adjust button for 5 seconds. Okay, here we go now. 1 2 3 4 5. Aywa. Now it's moving. Now we have here the as you can see here, it's 0 0. So it means we have to put this analog in 0 0 or in 12 12. Okay, so first we will adjust this back. Now it's 12. So if you, this is just the adjustment, the forward, this is for the second hand. Okay, this is the back and this is the forward. Okay, this is forward. So now we will put this in the 12 because it says in the digital it's 0 0. Okay, now also the the hour hand and the minute hand, we will put it there. Okay, so what we will do now, so put the mode, okay guys, here now it's 0 0. It means 12 0 0. Now what we will do, we will move this back and this is the forward. Okay, this is the back. So now we will move this long press this forward. Okay, because the local time now is 11:39. So the local time is 11:39. So what we will do now is we will forward this. Okay, just long press. Okay, but put this first in the 12. Okay, this hour and minute. Okay, just long press. Oops. Now back. These 3 hands must be in the 12. So adjust. Okay, okay, now you see guys, now it's 12 12. So in the digital it's 0 0 0. Okay, now what we will do now is push the adjust button. Okay, now we will do it now because it's 12 12 from the digital also. Okay, now push. Now it's adjusting now. Okay, so 30 35 40 45. Now the time of this clock is 11:45. So now it's 11:45. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you for watching.